Hey guys, obviously this video, as you can see in the title, is about Amir's birthday party that we have for him on Sunday. His birthday is August 27th and he turned 3 years old. But I just wanted to come on and say thank you to everyone that wished him a happy birthday on Sunday. And for everyone that has been asking how we are doing here in Texas, because most of you know we live in Texas. We are not by the coast. We are not anywhere near the coast. There's no type of water near us. And we are about 6 or so, maybe a little bit more than 6 hours away from Houston. So yeah, we are not anywhere near where the hurricane hit or anywhere near that area. We are not anywhere near flooding, thank God. We have been getting rain on and off, but that's about it. It's nothing like drastic or anything like that. It's just been kind of gloomy. Today is the first day where the sun has been out since the hurricane started. Okay, sorry about that. My camera ran out of storage and my battery's about to die, so I gotta be quick. So yeah, thank you for everyone that was giving us the happy birthday wishes on Sunday and making sure we were okay with the hurricane coming along. Texas is a really big state, so yeah, we're fortunate enough to not be anywhere near where all that is happening. But of course, keep praying for people out in that area. And if you can, make donations to legit places that are helping the victims of the flooding and everything from the hurricane. And yeah, about to get into the video. And it is all about Amir and his birthday. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more of our vlogs. And of course, my hair videos. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna get a picture of it before we cut into it. So cute. You ready?
Amir! Amir!
It's all dark now. Come here! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amir. Really? Happy birthday to you. That's it. Look at your cake. You like your cake?
Okay. I don't want to blow it.
Come on, sit down so you can blow it. You gotta sit down. How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
Wait.
Wait, you gotta make a wish.
What do you wish for?
Wish.
Don't say it, just make your wish.
Happy birthday.
Make your wish so you can blow it out.
Hey, cheese.
Cheese.
You see your Thomas cake?
Yeah.
Okay, blow your candles out. Oh, wait.
Try again.
Oh. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2. Yay! Should we do presents now real quick?
Wait.
It's hot.
You want your presents?
You want to see your presents?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's my birthday cake.
Yeah, you want to turn your light on? Here's what Mimi got you. And you have more stuff coming in the mail this week.
A truck.
Whoa.
It's a truck in it. Open it.
Wait, you gotta look at them first. Wow, isn't that cool?
Open it.
Hold on, we can put it in a second. Look, you got more. What's this? What's that?
The builder.
About the builder? Kinda, yeah. And then you got this one that you already saw, but...
Is that a little treat?
Pull it out. Pull it out. the one you found in the office?
Yeah.
It's Play-Doh.
Open it.
We're gonna open it in a second, and then you have more coming, okay?
Yeah.
Is it good? All right, you wanna cut your cake? You wanna, what do you say?
Thank you.
What do you say to Mimi? Look at the camera, what do you say?
Thank you.